Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys a Redmi phone guys password security setting, and today video guys guys how to set up lock screen password on Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to set up lock screen password on Redmi mobile, so then how to set up one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Redmi phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile password and security setting. After on friends password and security setting, friends click on screen lock and guys select your password type, pattern, pin and password. Friends, I will use pattern lock. Friends, you can see remember your password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data on your device. So friends, remember your password, don't do any mistake. Friends, draw your pattern, which pattern you want to use. Friends, I want to use this pattern and I will draw again same pattern, confirm. So friends, lock your screen, and friends you want to unlock your Redmi phone. So friends, you will have to draw pattern, then friends you can unlock your Redmi phone. So when draw your pattern lock and you can unlock your phone. So like that friends, you can set your lock screen password on your Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to change your lock screen password. So friends, you can change password also. Click on phone setting. After on phone setting, friends click here password and security setting, screen lock setting, draw device pattern. Select your password type, pattern and pin. Friends, I will use pin password. I will remove pattern lock. I will set pin password. After 5 seconds, friends, click here, got it. Enter your password, and friends, you can use a 4 to 16 digit password. Okay, friends. Friends, I will use 1, 2, 3, 4. And friends, first of all, check your password, then continue. Friends, don't click continue before check password. First of all, check your password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay option. Friends, lock your screen, and friends you want to unlock your Redmi phone. So when you will have to enter a 4-digit pin. Friends, you can see pattern password will remove and we have 4-digit pin. We will enter pin password and we can unlock our Redmi mobile. So like that friends, you can set and you can change your lock screen password on your Redmi phone. And friends, you don't want to use any password on lock screen, you want to remove all passwords. So friends, click here password setting, screen lock setting, enter your password. Friends, click here turn off screen lock and OK option. Guys, your password will remove on your device, and friends, you cannot use this password on your Redmi mobile. Friends, you can swipe, you can unlock your phone without any pin, pattern, password. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.